I'm an intern at LEXIS and Company. Today's topic is contingent contracts under Indian Contract Act. The word contingent means when an event or situation is contingent, that is, it depends on some other event or act. For example, making money is contingent on finding a good paying job. Essential elements of the contingent contract. After examining the definition of the contingent contract given under section 31 of the Contract Act, the essential of the term contingent contract are as follows. First, there must be a valid contract to do or abstain from doing something. Section 32 and 33 of the Act talks about enforcement of the contingent contract on the happening or not happening of the events respectively. The contract will be valid only if it is about performing or not performing an obligation. For example, X makes a contract with Y to buy Y's dog if X survives Z. This contract cannot be enforced by law unless and until Z dies in X's lifetime. Second, performance of the contract must be conditional. The condition for which the contract has been entered into must be a future event, and it should be uncertain. If the performance of the contract is dependent on an event which is although a future event but certain and sure to happen, then it will not be considered as a contingent contract. Third, the said event must be collateral to such contract. The event on whose happening or non-happening of the event on which the performance of the contract is dependent should not be a part of the consideration of the contract. The happening or non-happening of the event should be collateral to the contract and should exist independently. Fourth, the event should not be at discretion of the promisor. The event so considered as for contingency should not at all to be dependent on the promisor. It should be totally a futuristic and uncertain event. For example, X promises to pay Y rupees 10,000 if Y leaves Delhi for London on 31st March 2019. This is a contingent contract. Going to London can be within Y's will, but it is not merely his will. Now, I'll be winding up the video. If any viewer has any questions, please drop them in the comment section. Thank you.